Hey guys, Ankit Mehta here, and let me show you a quick demo video of ReVideo app. So before starting with the app, let me show what ReVideo can do for your business or your clients. So the biggest problem with the videos online is most of the videos are seen on mobile devices. 85% of the videos are watched without sound. So no matter how engaging content you created with your videos, what kind of information you provided in this, or what is your pitch, but if the visitor is watching it on mute, the chances are that your message is going in vain. To solve this problem, we have created ReVideo. For example, this is the kind of a video that you post on social media. But what if we can turn around the things and add your title, your subtitles, or your video, a cool animated character, and some audio waves on that. And the biggest part, what if we can add subtitles right inside the app, hard-coded, and not just for Instagram stories. You can do that for your YouTube videos and more. How cool is that? Just imagine how about using this for the local businesses as an agency. So you can charge them for this service a lot. So just ask them, if you have been posting videos, just let us retouch it with ReVideo app and charge them for a video like up to $100 or $200 or whatever amount you want to charge. So we are inside the dashboard. Here you can see all the campaigns, all the team members, the brands you created, and the couple of links in the menu that are part of main purchase and upgrades and everything. So let's start with one by one. So before starting the creating videos, let me show you templates. Here are different styles of template that are designed by our designing team, keeping in mind how any business would use these templates. For example, if you want to share your story, you can use this template. If you want to a meme kind of video, you can use this template. And for example, if you have some message or your quote, or if you want to repurpose any kind of video that is any interview from some businessman or someone, and you want to share on social media, just select this kind of template. And when you click on any template, you can see the live video preview of it here.
Hi guys.
You can see the subtitles here, the audio here, the message, the logo branding, and the video itself here. So once you're satisfied with the template selection, you can use this template. But before starting with the template, let me share what brands are, and it's a really cool feature. Just click on add brand and give it a name. For example, ReVideo. Choose any author image. For example, let me take this. Choose your logo or your client's logo and select a font and click on add brand. What it does is simply it creates a brand identity right inside your dashboard. So whenever you start creating videos for your business or your client's business, you don't need to upload their logo or their brand name or their font selection, whichever suits their brand, each and every time. All you have to do is selecting from the drop down. So let's start with this. Let me start with this template. This looks good for my purpose. Click on use this template. Just enter campaign name, ReVideo, select your brand. This is one that we just created. Click on submit. Here you can upload your video. So meanwhile it is uploading the video on our servers. So once video is uploaded, you can see the preview here.
Development is to make the world.
Okay, click on next. Here is your video preview. So you can select out of it which is the highlight of your video, what part of the video that you want to include in your social story or YouTube or your ads even. Just drag the slider here and select the important part and click on play.
For the next
so it will start looping inside that.
If you wonder if...
And once you're satisfied with it, just click on generate subtitles. So on this step, our award-winning speech-to-text technology will grab each frame of the video, extract audio out of it and convert it into text and start putting it into your video. So it is done with transcribing your video. You can see the video preview. Okay, so the biggest thing and the most exciting thing about ReVideo is you don't need to render video each and every time before you see the change here. Our video player is a real-time video player. So if you want to make any kind of change here, for example, let's take it my first video with ReVideo. You can select the font from here. Let's take this. Let's go with this one. Okay, you can even change the logo even after you have selected one from the brand, or go with the default one. You can just play the video here and see the audio wave here.
If you wonder if something is sustainable, you can ask yourself, can we do this over and over again forever?
How cool is this?
Sustainable development.
Now, once you are satisfied with your customization, just click on render video and it will be here. So I think our video is rendered already. Just click on this and play.
First of all, we have to take care of our planets. We have many natural ecosystems that must be in balance in order for us to live here.
It's rendered. You can see the preview here and see how cool is that. If you want to download it, just click on download and here's your video. Just see video as. And
first of all, we have to take care of our planet.
Okay, so other feature of this app, you have seen brands, you have seen templates, and there's the cool feature team. So in this section, you can create separate logins for your clients, your family, your team, or anyone or any business right inside your dashboard. So you don't need to share your details, and you can provide a separate login to your clients, and you can sell this as a feature. So if you want to select, if you want to add any client, just click on this plus icon and you can enter the details and it will be added right inside it. There are a couple of other features like bonuses are there, training sessions are here, the other upgrades are here, and on this dashboard you can see the demo video, the total campaigns, team members, branded, everything. So everything is so cool with ReVideo, and you can start your own video agency because you will be the first providing this kind of unique service.